Alright guys, what's up? I am talking today again about my AVIN USA head unit, which I absolutely love. There's a few little bugs that are going to be corrected soon with the firmware update that AVIN sent me that I will be also sharing with you guys in another video. And today we're going to be talking about Apple CarPlay. So they sent me a CarPlay adapter, which I don't know where I put. Here it is. This is the Apple CarPlay adapter for the AVIN USA head unit. Now, it is the easiest installation to do ever. It is very simple. All you need is this. It's going to be $99.99 on their website. I will post the link down below. So subscribe to see the next video on the AVIN unit when I do review it after the firmware is updated, after this is installed, after my cameras are all installed, and I will be doing videos on all those things as well. Now, this is too easy for you guys to do. All you need is the Apple CarPlay adapter, like I said, $100 on their website. Link is down below. And you need a iPhone cable. Alright? I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what you have to do next. So if you guys already saw my AVIN USA head unit install video, you will recognize this unit. You also know that I put the wires down here. You can tuck them back in, or I have them here for easy access because I'm not done working on my car yet. But here it is. So you're going to take one of the USB ports that are part of the system. You have one and you have two labeled. So you have USB 1, USB 2, and I'm going to do it on one just because I like the number 1 better. So you take your Apple CarPlay adapter. Alright, the system is on right now. I have my key in the ignition, it's on, that's it. So you're going to take the Apple CarPlay adapter and you're going to simply plug it in. That's all you got to do. Alright, then you're going to get a notification on the screen that says PHONELINK. Open PHONELINK when this USB device is connected. Now what that means is that every time you connect this device, PHONELINK will open. PHONELINK being the CarPlay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put use by default for this USB device and press OK. Now, PHONELINK has opened. Now, you're not going to be unplugging and plugging back in this huge box all the time. So just put used by default for this device, because once you tuck this back up in there and you have your wire coming out, you're not going to have to unplug it anymore. So then you're going to get this, the CarPlay symbol, and it says please use this USB cable to connect the phone to the USB port of the box. Now I'm going to be doing that. Alright. And since I am recording with my phone, let's see what happens when I plug in my phone. So nothing happened. Alright, I'm gonna go get another phone. Alright guys, I'm back and I got a phone. So, I got another phone right here. That way I can still record. Going to plug it in. It's a little hard to record and plug things in at the same time. We're plugged in. Now it's gonna say please wait. And then you're going to get this notification on your phone screen. Press allow. And there's the CarPlay. Now let's check out some of the features. So you have your phone, music. Let me turn the music down. So you have your phone, music, maps, messages now playing, car takes you back. Alright? And then to get back into the CarPlay, you go to apps and you press PHONELINK. And then you're back. So you have your basic messaging apps here. You have your navigation, Apple Maps, which let me tell you, it looks really good on the screen. You have your little sidebar with the main applications most used. It tells you time, network, messages. You have some Siri access. I'm not going to use her right now, but you can scroll through your messages. That's me, so I'm going to open that. And you can talk to and answer to your messages with Siri. We're gonna go back. Music keeps playing. Very simple to use, very good. So let's go back into the menu for a second. Now that we're back in the menu, the music stays playing, so you can do your other things in the meanwhile. And the way I have it set up is that since I don't use a navigation app for the navigation button on the screen, I did this. I went over to settings, then I press navigation, and basically what this does is you have to select an app to open when you select navigation on the screen, and the screen I showed you beforehand. So I chose PHONELINK, which is CarPlay. Then you click it again, you press the check mark, press, I think okay, there. So now I can go back, and I'm using the scrolling wheel right here for the CCC, and when I press navigation, my CarPlay opens, because there's no dedicated CarPlay button for it. So you could either scroll with your wheel or just go ahead and tap navigation, CarPlay opens up. Now if you have a navigation app for your navigation button on the screen, then what you do is you go to apps and you open PHONELINK, and there's your CarPlay. Now, a lot of you may be asking, well, why doesn't this PHONELINK work? Well, that one's for AirPlay. So that one's gonna be for your Android USB, your Android Wi-Fi, and your iPhone Wi-Fi. So that's mirror playing for your phone, and it's not CarPlay. So I have it set up like that. You guys can do whatever you want, but I suggest navigation because it is easy to access. It's right there. Quick scroll of the wheel and a click, and you're there. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and can't wait to show you guys what else I'm going to do to my car. Stay tuned for more AVIN USA videos, and stay tuned for more mods to my car and the other cars in the Beamer family. Thanks, guys.